It's time to cook with Susan Beck, and today we are going to make Christmas morning rolls. I can't believe I've never made this video in my 6 years of making YouTube cooking videos. Last week was my 6-year anniversary. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to check out all the recipes that I've been making over these years. Now these are called Christmas morning rolls, and they are a favorite in our family. But you know, we don't just wait for Christmas to have them. They're great at Thanksgiving, they're great at Easter, and they're great just for a Sunday brunch. So I am putting into my pan here. A bundt pan works well, or this is an angel food cake pan. You wouldn't have to use any fancy pan if you don't have one. Just put it in a cake pan. But I am putting 24 of these Rhodes Rolls into this container. These are going in frozen. And on top of those, I am going to drizzle a pudding. Not the instant kind, the actual like cooking kind of pie filling. And we like the vanilla. Many recipes call for the butterscotch, but we're going to use vanilla today. And on that goes. All the powder just gets sprinkled on top. Next, we're going to make our caramel sauce. We are going to be melting 1 stick of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So we'll move over to the stove and melt that. We're going to dissolve the sugar in that butter. Let that melt, and once it's all melted, I'm going to let it kind of simmer and boil for 1 minute. I want to be sure to get rid of all those sugar crystals and have a nice smooth caramel sauce. Be sure to keep stirring once it's at that boiling stage. A brown sugar butter mixture will burn very easily. All right, we pour the caramel sauce over top of the rolls. So the last thing you do is take a piece of aluminum foil and place it over the top. And these are just going to sit on my counter overnight. So these are an overnight rising roll. In the morning, we'll turn the oven on to 350 degrees and bake them for 30 minutes. And ooh, we will have an ooey gooey delicious treat with our brunch. Well, it's been 10 hours and look at my rolls. They are exploding out of this pan. That might be the highest they've ever risen. Wow, those are going to be some delicious Christmas morning rolls. So it's time to put these rolls into a preheated 350 degree oven. They're going to bake for 30 minutes. I can't wait to try them. Oh, look at those golden brown rolls. That caramel sauce is down below. We're just going to run a knife through this. A little more challenging today since my rolls have risen so high. Must have been really warm in the house last night. Now, I had these on the counter for about 10 hours, but 8 to 12, any of that would work. It's not real picky. So I think I'm just going to cut through those. All right, now these are going to be dumped out onto a platter. All right, I'm going to use this great big platter. It's my favorite one when making these at Christmas. Again, even though they're called Christmas morning rolls, you can eat these whenever you want. Ooey gooey, here they come. All right, we got half of them out well. There they are. All right, there's still some good caramel down in there that we don't want to waste, so we'll just use a spatula and take that out. There you have it, ooey gooey Christmas morning rolls. Good for any holiday. Be sure to subscribe to Time to Cook with Susan Beck for more great things to make for Christmas.